Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the outdoor security camera. This sleek, smart, and vigilant camera is perfect for your outdoor security needs. It comes packed with features such as high-definition video, night vision, and motion detection. Not only does it capture everything in crystal-clear detail, but it also sends real-time alerts. Plus, its setup is a breeze and it can be controlled right from your smartphone, making your home security an effortless experience. Moving on to number 4, we have the Smart Sprinkler Controller. The Smart Sprinkler Controller is a marvel of modern technology. It takes the guesswork out of watering your garden, freeing up more of your time. It uses weather data to adjust watering schedules, ensuring your plants get just the right amount of water no matter the season. With this ingenious device, you say goodbye to the hassle of manual watering. Our goal is to make your life easier and your garden healthier. At number 3, we introduce the Vertical Garden Planter. This vertical garden planter is not just a garden accessory, it's a lifestyle. It paves the way for imaginative gardening even in spaces with limitations. Its flexibility allows it to be used for cultivating a variety of herbs, an array of flowers, or even a compact salad garden. Coming in at number 2, we have the Robotic Lawn Mower. Picture it as your dedicated and reliable gardening assistant that doesn't demand constant supervision. This machine diligently trims your lawn, granting you additional leisure hours to appreciate your immaculately groomed outdoor spaces. It's quiet, efficient, and autonomously recognizes when it needs to recharge. Say goodbye to the exhausting chore of laboring under the blazing sun. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. The number 1 must-have home and garden product on Amazon is the solar deck lights. Picture this. After an exhausting day, you step onto your deck and are greeted by a soothing, comforting glow. These solar-powered lights are not just visually pleasing. They go beyond being a mere beautiful addition, even though they certainly provide that in abundance. They symbolize functionality, safety, and sustainability. Brighten up your space with a touch of brilliance. Say goodbye to traditional deck darkness or the struggle to pinpoint a spot in the cloak of night. Plus, you're doing your part for the environment, reducing your carbon footprint one light at a time. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the creme de la creme of Amazon products for your home and garden. Each product provides a distinct feature. These items have the potential to metamorphose your home and garden into a functional, gorgeous, and intelligent haven. Enjoy your shopping spree.